to show you how to set up Docker on a Windows 7 64-bit machine. So with Docker you need Docker Toolbox because Docker Windows uses Hyper-V and only works with Windows 10 because it has Hyper-V. Windows 7 doesn't have Hyper-V, so we're going to use the Docker Toolbox. Docker Toolbox will install a VirtualBox, which is a virtual machine, and your Docker container will run inside your VirtualBox. I'm going to show you how to bind your Windows 7 folder and link it to the container inside your VirtualBox machine. That way you can code on your computer and it will update in the container. Your Windows 7 needs to be 64-bit with virtualization on. So this is the Docker. I'll send you this file in the description. There'll be a link there. Just click on that and you have this whole thing. Just copy and paste, follow the instructions. So in here, look up search virtualization. There's a Windows 7 how to check your computer has virtualization. So here, virtualization, which is just under this. Click on that. You just download it. Tiny file. Click download. Click on the exe file. Next. Just save it. Run it. Click on run. There will pop up. Click yes. And this will pop up. This computer is configured with hardware assisted virtualization, which is what you need. To download Docker Toolbox, you just search Docker Toolbox download and download it. Or you can use this link here, which is Docker's GitHub. Docker for Toolbox and all their releases. So you can just download the latest one. Download the exe, 230 mega. I've already downloaded it, but you just click on that, save it to your computer, and just let it download. Once downloaded, just double click on it to run, and just follow the instructions. Click yes. Click next. Docker Toolbox can be installed in program files, which is fine. It's going to download or install all that, which is fine. I had this checked. I'm not sure if it works or not, but I mean if it matters or not, but it works. And then it will come up with pop-ups. Just press yes and just let it confirm and install. When it gets up to this point, it's going to take another 5-10 minutes for it to finish installing VirtualBox. Just be patient. Any pop-up that comes up, just go yes to confirm it. Okay, once finished, click finish. And that's your quick terminal and stuff. It's also on your desktop. There's this file. This is your Docker terminal. That's important. And this is your VirtualBox virtual machine. We've got to change our environment variable paths. So copy that. Go to your path folder. So click on the start button on the bottom left of your screen, or hit the start button, Windows button between the control and the Alt.
G'day, how are you? Yeah, good. What's been happening?
So now we're going to add the environment variable path. So hit the Windows button on your keyboard, which is between the Control and the Alt key on the bottom left, or click on Start. Then you type in path, P-A-T-H, find Edit the System Environment Variables, click on that, and down here, Environment Variables, in the path, Edit. I already done mine, so at the end, you just add it in, so semicolon, and then put in your Docker Toolbox path. So if you open Git, the problem with Git bash, if you open it and go in, some of the commands just don't work. So even though I've got Docker installed, you go Docker info and it will have the error, and this is the Windows 7 problem. To fix it, you've got to run Docker Terminal. So on your desktop, double click on Docker Quickstart Terminal over here. This my Git is installed in another file location, so it's saying that there's a missing shortcut. Windows searching for it, but I know it's not going to find because I was waiting for ages. So what if you have this problem? You right click on the icon, go to Properties, and go to your Git folder. So my Git is installed in C drive, Programs, Git. Let's go to your bin folder, and this is the file you want. So you find it on your computer. So you update that. Leave the rest as it is. Apply. OK, continue, and OK. So this is my target there. So if you double click on your Docker terminal, it should open up and finish its install. Sometimes when you start, this window could be really skinny. So you right click the top bar, go to Properties, and in the window size, just increase it. Just let it finish. If it comes up with any windows pop up asking for access, just go yes. So this is just the Docker terminal. It's creating your VirtualBox virtual machine and just doing all the install. And this is where the pop-up will come up. Just go yes, it's fine. Comes up again, click yes. Okay, when it's done, this is your Docker IP. To get that, the reason why we use the Docker terminal is that you type in Docker info, the details come up, but if you go to your Git bash, it won't work. Docker needs this Docker terminal to get things working. Yeah. Oh, now it works. But some commands, you'll ask you for some winpty command and then whatever. You always have problems here and there, so always best to use the Docker info. I'm going to show you how to do a shortcut. So copy and paste. You can right click on the screen to paste. To get that working, right click on the top panel, Properties, inside Options, click on this Quick Edit Mode. So now you right click on your screen, it will paste automatically for you. This is to get your Docker machine IP. You need that to access. just select it and right click. And this is your Docker terminal, our container. Sure. So this command here will install a Docker container on port 8080 on your machine, and with the Docker name mynix and the image is nix, so it would go to 8080. It shouldn't work. Yeah, so copy that, go to your Docker terminal, right click, enter, and it will update. I'll install the container. So once done, if you go back and refresh it, it should work. This is a bash into your Docker container. So this is the folder in your container, which is inside your VirtualBox, which runs this. So exit to get out. Remove all containers, force removal. So now I'm going to show you how to bind your folder on your local machine to your Docker container. So run this command. Note that this is a capital U for user, only because your C drive. So Docker Toolbox with VirtualBox uses your C drive users folder, and we're gonna go in there. So go to your C drive users, create a folder called Docker. Right click, new folder. It's called Docker's fine. In there, create another folder called Nix, or anything, up to you. Now we're going to bind this folder to our container, so whatever you update in here gets updated into your container, so pretty much working locally. So on port 8080, this shouldn't load now. Yeah, it's forbidden because nothing is there. It's empty, which is this folder. So it's literally using this folder now. So open up your text editor into this folder, and we're going to create some files. So I just sit into my users Docker folder. If you're using Visual Code, you can run this command, or just use your editor and open up this folder. Open up this folder in your text editor. We're just going to create some files in here. So create an index HTML file. Right click in here, new file, index HTML. Yeah, permission problem. So since it's in your C users, we got to give permission. So right click your Docker folder, go to properties, go to security, edit, and give everyone or your user full control. Yeah, so now we create the file again. Should work. Yeah, there you go. And if you go in, index file. Just exclamation mark tab and just create heading h1 tab, and let's just call it hello world 1. Save this file. Now you refresh this, that's your hello world. Let's create another one, create another file, about, right click in here, new file, paste, and just do the same, exclamation mark tab, and inside here h1 tag and about 1. Save that, and you can go to about HTML, give it about 1. So right now my local machine got these files and it's updating in the container. So now we're gonna create a Docker file with this image, and then we're gonna copy the file to our local machine. So create a file or Docker file, right click, new file, Control V, Docker file, and just copy this. So it's just save that. Now cd to that folder. So that's the folder there. I'm going to build the image. I'm going to call it my Nix init. Got that. So I'm going to delete all my Docker containers. This should be gone. Yeah. So I'm going to create an image with that Docker image. Same port, using the same name. Oh, hang on. Wait. I'm also going to delete everything in this. You can't delete that. Everything on my local, and I'm going to show you how to copy your image to your local. So let's create the image. And this is the Docker command to copy from your container to your computer. So let's refresh this and it should be working. Yeah. There's going to be a Nix2 file folder. Yeah, there you go. This is the file. To test it, Okay, yeah, so that was the command to copy to your log folder. So let's remove the Docker containers. And now this command here is gonna run port 8080 Unix 2 folder with the image. Go to your Unix 2 folder, which is this one. Open up your code editor for it. So we're going to edit and see if it works. So right now this should be your, so right now this is our image, and now we're going to update it and see if it works. So let's change it to Hello World 2. Save that. Should be 2. And in the about, change it to 2. Save that. Yeah. So it's working now. Now we're going to change it inside your container. So copy that. Go to your next folder. And I'm going to use Nano, so I'm going to install Nano. And then we're going to edit that index file. The Hello World 2. If we change this to 3 inside the container, to say Control X. Oh, that's strange. Still 4. Y to save, and enter to save the file. And then we go here to the index, it should be 4. Yes. And if you go to your index, it should also be 4. Yeah, there you go. Now let's do about. Let's change this to 4. Control X, Y for yes, saving the file, enter. And then we go to about. It should be 4. And then we go to our editor. It should also be 4. So now you know how to update from the container, and also edit on your local, and it will update everything. And that's it. That's how you get Docker Toolbox installed on Windows 7 with folder binding container. Alright, good luck to you.